What's good, family? It's your boy Trav Coop from Generational Wealth Vibes, and I'm hoping everybody's having a blessed day today. Man, you know I had to come back and hit you guys with another play. Today I want to talk about how I made $55,000 in 1 month using drop shipping. I was able to leverage Amazon's platform to get those amount of sales. Now, it wasn't substantial. It did fall off after a while, but I was able to hit in the market at the right time. So you guys know last year, March, what happened in the world. So what I did was search private authors for remedy and cure books. Just when you're feeling ill, some recipes and different things like that, natural or organic ingredients to make you feel better and help you cure different illnesses. So I was able to locate a private author who didn't have their book on Amazon. They were selling it on eBay, but not on Amazon for some reason. So all I did was purchase copies from eBay and have them shipped directly to the customers at Amazon. So drop shipping is when you buy from one source and sell it on another platform for a higher price, and then whenever that product sells, you go back to your source and purchase it and send it directly to the customer that purchased it from you. Okay, so you don't even touch the item. It goes directly from the source to the customer who bought from you on the different platform at a higher price. So let me be transparent. What I did was take advantage of an opportunity that I seen in the marketplace. We all know what happened last March. So I knew people would be looking for cures and remedies. So I started searching for private authors or authors that didn't have their books on Amazon. And I wanted to list them on Amazon because I knew that's where all the eyes were. So I found this author that had a really great book. For some reason, he didn't have it on Amazon. He did have it on eBay, but not on Amazon. So all I did was create a listing on Amazon for that book. And whenever somebody would buy it from me on Amazon, I would purchase it there from either his private website or eBay and drop ship it directly to the customer's address on Amazon. I was able to do that because as soon as he shipped, I would make sure to upload the tracking information directly into Amazon. The guy's books cost around $29.99 per book for the remedy book, and I was able to mark it up and sell it on Amazon because I was the only one for $29.99 because I knew of the demand, and I was the only one that had it on Amazon. So guys, I would sell a lot of these copies each day. That's how I got to the 55,000 in gross sales, and I would just keep selling and selling. Now for this process, you will need money to purchase from your source first because it is a waiting time. Whenever you purchase for them, it has to ship to the customer, and then you wait to get paid whenever Amazon does its payout. So you will need some cash or some credit cards to make sure that you can withstand the time between purchasing and getting paid, especially if it's a fast selling product like the product that I bought. So I would have a lot of money tied up, but at the same time, I would be making a lot of money also. So again, that 55,000 was gross. Probably the profit off of that money after the drop shipping, I probably made anywhere between 30 to 35 grand off that, which is a good month off of one product. So the drop shipping process does work. I would advise you guys to go out and look for products that are not on Amazon, but you know that are selling. So you can go into Google Trends, you can use Jungle Scout, you can use any of the research programs of people that's selling products or products out there that's not on Amazon yet. And what you can do is put it on Amazon and it doesn't even have to be Amazon. You can do eBay, but I always say Amazon because it's the #1 e-commerce platform in the world. So you know the eyes are on Amazon, so we can leverage Amazon to get this ball rolling. So again, go out there and research any, private authors, because books are my thing. I have a book business on Amazon, so I'm always focused in the book industry, but you guys can do any products. It doesn't have to be a book. It can be any product that they're not putting out yet. You can go list it on Amazon, buy it from them, mark the price up, and then boom. Make sure whenever you mark the price up, it's enough to cover Amazon fees or whatever platform their fees, so that you will have a substantial amount of money. And most of the time when I'm drop shipping, I like to get at least 100% of what I paid for it. So say for example, if I bought a product for $50, I want to be able to at least make $50 clear in profit after that product is shipped to the customer. So again guys, this is the drop shipping play. You guys can take this information and use it, apply it to your business, let's add some income, and let's keep rolling. It's your boy Trav Coop from Generational Wealth Vibes, and if you haven't already, please slide over there to IG and follow your boy at Travis_GWV. And if you hadn't clicked that subscribe button yet, please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep giving you more of my plays that I've ran over my 11 years of entrepreneurship. Guys, let's keep going. It's time for everybody to be up. Let's help people create multiple streams of income to build that generational wealth.